Hi guys, Yolanda here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist, and today we're going to have a look at the nebulizer function on the Elisa ICU Ventilator from Loewenstein Medical. To access the nebulizer, you will press the Functions tab, and your nebulizer tab will be on the left-hand side of your screen. The machine can be configured for a mesh nebulizer or a pneumatic nebulizer, and as you will see for today, we are using a pneumatic nebulizer. A shortcut for the nebulizer can be configured, and you will see that at the top right hand side of your screen as indicated by the pink arrow. Before you start with your settings for your nebulizer, make sure all your equipment is ready and connected. Nebulization duration times range between 5 and 60 minutes. A continuous nebulizing option is also available. So for today's video, we've decided we're going to nebulize for 5 minutes. So we're going to scroll all the way down to 5 minutes, confirm, press the on button and confirm, and nebulization starts. You will see at the top of your screen and in the functions menu, there will be a countdown timer for the duration of your nebulization. After the selected nebulization time has concluded, the nebulization will stop automatically. If you want to stop nebulization before the selected time limit has been reached, you will press the off button and you will confirm with the green arrow.